In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record income in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a fantastic tool for managing your business finances, and knowing how to record income accurately is essential for keeping your books in order. Whether you're tracking sales revenue, client payments, or other deposits, this process ensures that your records align with your bank account and your reports stay reliable. If you're new to QuickBooks Online or just looking to improve your bookkeeping skills, you've come to the right place. And if you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started today. All right, let's dive in. First, make sure you're on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is your starting point for everything you need to manage your business finances. From here, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on the New button. This opens up a menu of common tasks you can perform in QuickBooks. From this menu, select Bank Deposit. This option allows you to record a deposit into one of your bank accounts and keep your income records up to date. Once you're in the bank deposit screen, you'll see a field labeled Account. Here, you'll need to choose which bank account the deposit will go into. Take a moment to select the correct account. This is essential for matching your QuickBooks records with your actual bank statements. Next, set the deposit date. This should be the exact day the money landed in your bank account. Matching the deposit date to your bank records will help ensure everything reconciles properly when you review your accounts later. Now, in the Received From field, you'll want to choose the customer or payer who sent you the money. QuickBooks allows you to select from your contacts, so if you've already added the customer or payer to your system, you can simply pick their name from the list. If not, you can add them now. After that, you'll need to select the category that best describes the income. This could be something like product sales or service income, depending on the nature of the payment. Choosing the right category is important because it determines how the income is classified in your financial reports. To add more detail, use the description field to provide context for the deposit. This step is optional, but a short note like payment for invoice 1234 or consulting services for August can make it easier to identify the deposit later on. Next, you'll need to specify the payment method. Was this payment made in cash, by check, or with a credit card? Choose the option that matches how the payment was received. This detail helps keep your records consistent and complete. Now it's time to enter the deposit amount. Be sure to double-check this number against your bank records to avoid any discrepancies. Accuracy is key here, as even small errors can create confusion when reconciling your accounts. Before finishing, take a moment to review all the details you've entered. Look over the account, date, received from field, category, description, payment method, and amount. Make sure everything is accurate and reflects the real-world deposit correctly. Once you're confident everything looks good, click Save and Close. This will record the deposit in QuickBooks Online, and you're all set. Your income has now been properly recorded, and your financial records are one step closer to being complete and organized. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.